So to back up your photos and videos that are on your phone, you need to have the Google Photos application. So how can you get to download and install the Google Photos application? For those who don't know, just get to sit down and watch how it's done. So you need to go to the Google Play Store and first make sure that you are signed in with your Google account. So me, I'm already signed in with my Google account. So let me get to look up for the Google Photos application. So get to type in Google Photos and search about it onto the Google Play Store application. Mine is already installed. It's already installed. So for you, since you haven't installed it onto your phone, you will then get to tap install, but mine is a different option. So let me tap on open, and for you to see the interface of this application and some of the photos that I did back up on my Google account. So that's it on how to download and install a Google Photos application.